I'm Yury Chernoff, professor at School of Biology here at Georgia Tech. We're dealing with models for very important diseases related to human aging. The mechanism of those diseases is what fascinates me and what attracts me to our field of research. Because when people getting aged, then there is more probability for proteins forming alternative structures, being misfolded, alternatively folded, and this is possibly one of the major mechanisms of aging and certainly one of the major mechanisms of death of aged people. The major questions we're trying to answer is to understand how the proteins can form alternative structures. We have now actually built the center, we call it by long name Center for Nanobiology of the Macromolecular Assembly Disorders. The center includes faculty members from Georgia Tech and from Emory. It includes chemists, biologists, people working on clinical aspects of diseases, people working on bioinformatics and computational aspects. We are trying to build the team project by using and combining the specific tools into one integrative approach. We try to model in yeast some of the diseases occurring in humans. This includes the Alzheimer's disease, the mad cow and Creutzfeldt-Jakob diseases, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, type 2 diabetes. So several very important diseases. Those diseases grow in importance with increase of human lifespan. And if we don't solve the issue of these diseases relatively soon, then we are all going to die from this.